Welcome to this video on the Living Blueprint. Today we explore how self-healing concrete is engineering the future of sustainable infrastructure. Traditional concrete is inherently fragile, prone to cracking under stress, and vulnerable to environmental ingress, leading to constant, costly maintenance. Self-healing concrete represents a major paradigm shift. When cracks form, embedded agents activate to seal the fracture, restoring the material's structural integrity. There are two primary mechanisms for this process: autogenous healing, which utilizes natural hydration, and autonomous healing, which integrates engineered agents. Autogenous healing can be stimulated using advanced additives like superabsorbent polymers, crystalline admixtures, and even carbon nanotubes to ensure long-term stability. Bioconcrete takes this further by using specific bacteria. When moisture enters a crack, it awakens the bacteria, which then produce limestone to seal the damage. From marine docks in the UK to tunnels in the Netherlands, pilot projects worldwide are demonstrating the effectiveness of these technologies. Strategic applications include marine environments, high-traffic transport networks, seismic zones, and complex underground engineering projects. By extending lifespans and reducing the need for frequent replacements, this technology helps achieve a significant reduction in embodied energy and CO2 emissions. This transition supports a circular economy, shifting infrastructure from disposable, high-maintenance assets to regenerative, self-preserving systems. The market for these technologies is on a hyper-growth trajectory, with projections reaching $1.63 trillion by 2035. While challenges like higher initial costs and regulatory hurdles exist, solutions through lifecycle analysis and standardized certification are paving the way for adoption. In conclusion, self-healing concrete is the vital evolution towards resilient, efficient, and sustainable living infrastructure for the next century.